altcoins are on fire. No wonder Baby Doge coin saw this huge vector candle to the upside. Floki Inu doing the same thing. CSPR Kaspa is struggling to recover, while Refinance is still at the bottom, waiting to make the next move to the upside. The question now is, what next for this altcoin? In today's video, I want us to analyze Baby Dogecoin, CSPR Kaspa, Refinance, and look at the bigger picture for this coin. Floki Inu has been one of the top meme coins in the space so far because of what they are all about, what they are building, the utilities they have, and Baby Dogecoin is following the same trend to build utilities around the meme project. And if we look at coins like Kaspa, it's going through lots of struggles. Maybe it's dead. Well, I have guys here who voted that they want me to talk about Casper, so I have to respect these guys who are part of my platform who want to get information about about what Casper is doing. And those of you who also who are invested in Reef, you want me to talk about Reef. So I want to keep talking about these coins and see what unveil. And by the way, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not sharing this coin. I'm just someone who analyze the market and look for opportunities to help people out there who are part of my community to make more Bitcoin. I'm all about making more Bitcoin in the space. If I see opportunity in the market to make more Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, I'm gonna make that, or I want to take that opportunity. And I have a full strategy that helps me to go about making more Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And if say you want to teach you the strategy, then make sure you are part of my VIP. Once you have climbed the ladder of the VIP, get to a point where I'm going to give you the full strategy for you to take it to the next level, because this is very important if say you want to make money in this game. By the way, those of you who doesn't care about strategy, you just want to buy, sell, take profit, you just want to make money, fine. Join my VIP group there. I want to give you what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and when I want to take out profit. That means you're gonna get my buy and sell outlet. The links are found below this video. Go there and join the other guys who are there. They are enjoying. I can see adventure player. Casper is dead. I don't know. We're gonna look at Casper. I don't know if say is dead. I mentioned I am not shielding Casper. I'm not here to shield Casper or any other coins out there. I'm here to analyze the market, give my honest opinion on what is going on the chart. Now, let's begin with the bad boy crypto. No, not Casper. Let's get to crypto bubble. Let's see what's going on overall. These are all the top coins that are doing well. You know, against Bitcoin, the ones in green are the ones that have done well this week against Bitcoin due to the fact that Trump won the U.S. election. Nero, Gold, Ray, Grass, Co, NR, Aero, Ada. These coins are on fire. I almost bought Ada 2 days ago and I forgot. I have so much stuff to do. Now look at what I've missed. I've missed 16% upside for Bitcoin. Wow. Well, there are still more opportunities along the way. We don't expect pullback, and from that pullback, I want to buy more. But guys, we still have opportunities here. ICP is still down. Omo is still down, but they'll be 12%. BNB is down 4%. HNT is down. There are many coins here. Floki Inu is down 7%. Mock is down. And if we go more further to the top 200 coins, you can see even Baby Dogecoin is down. But the coins in green bubbles are the ones that are doing well against Bitcoin. Now let's move to the Baby Dogecoin. Okay, we are seeing this. Remember, guys, remember what I told you in the past. Whenever we see a vector candle on the higher time frame, particularly the daily and the 4 hours time frame, what you want to do is measure that vector candle. If the coin is in a bullish state, they are going to recover at least half of that vector candle, and from the half that they're going to recover, you can then buy. It's not always exactly half, but they're going to at least bring price there. You can see clearly they brought price closer to the half, yeah, so you would have bought there. But again, they are still attempting to come and maybe recover the part that they didn't bring price to. I don't know, but we're going to look at the lower time frame to establish this. But let's look at now the bigger picture here. So you see, we were in an uptrend long, like when it was launched on Binance. The Dogecoin was launched on Binance, and we saw this huge uptrend. And now we saw a pullback, and all of the gains that was made during the period that this coin was launched on Binance has been eaten back by the market makers. This is what they do. When they pump the price and you are not smart to cash out profit, they are going to cash the profit out for you. Now, looking at this other chart, this is one of the chart that I always talk about on this platform. You're going to see that these guys, they pump price. There's a pattern here that they have been following. I don't know, but they have been doing this for some time now, and you can see clearly from this zone where price started, the pump price, bring it down, pump it, bring it down, pump it again, bring it down, pump it, and bring it down, pump it again. Now we're at a level where I think we should see a breakout to the upside, right? Price should break out at least to the upside, because you can see price has formed a support zone here. Let me mark this area so you can see properly, based on previous price action. You see, so I'll say that if I'm an investor, if say I want to like start DCA in Baby Doge coin, this should be a zone for me to start buying. So I can see previous price action and looking at what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is now, I think, at 75. Let's say it's trading in between 75 and $76,000. If say Bitcoin keep doing what Bitcoin is doing and Ethereum has broken structure to the upside, the target for Ethereum is about $3,500. So I think the Dogecoin can see a parabolic move to the upside, looking at this weekly time frame and looking at this pattern. You can see up forming, price was forming lower lows, lower lows. You see, look at this trend line, and now we are here. Okay, the previous moment, or the previous price action, you can see when price get to this zone, price always go back down to this level. But now at this point in time, they have recovered just half of these vectors, half of this vector. Now what is the next target? Right, the next target is this. It's simple. What I do is I bring in my Fibonacci tool as usual, or I can bring in the volume profile. But let me just bring in the Fib tool. I've already marked the zones already, like long time ago. But let me bring it again. You see, so if we not see a pump here, the next target is gonna be this golden pocket, and the last zone is gonna be here, this area. I think this zone where we have this other area. Let me just mark it properly for you, so you can see. So this is gonna be the area where if say you want to cash out profit, you can cash it here. It's simple as that. But again, we have to reassess price and see what price is doing. So if say price is going to leave this zone, then this is going to be the target for Baby Dogecoin. Possibly, I think so. Yeah, that's going to be the target. Because if say I do something like this, let me see. Or let me mark this quickly. Let me see if say this is going to work. Okay, take it back to the upside. Yeah, around that area. Yeah. So we should expect price to get to this area before we see some sort of pullback, again, and the pullback is going to come to this zone. This is going to be an important structure for price to break. So if price break this structure, we should expect price to retest the structure back, before maybe going to the upside. So I'm looking at this zone now as an area where maybe, for those of you who are investors, you are looking for a buy opportunity, then consider this area as an area where you can start looking at or start DCA in the project. And I think that this project is good. I know it's good, and nothing really alarming is happening now with the project that can make me say, or maybe it can go to zero, like what is happening with Kaspa. But this project is good, and I love what they are building, or what they are coming up with a wallet. They're coming up with with a like a platform like pom.com. So they're going to call it Poppy.fund, and they want to, help investors make money. Simple as that, right? And at the same time, they themselves are making money. Because those coin community, they are in business. Okay, they make money from you guys. So all of us make money, by the way. So they pump the price. We make money. Those of you who don't sell, you are in love with the project, you lose money, and we make money. We cash it out, and we wait to buy again. We make money. You are still loving the project. It's okay, love it, but you have to cash out profit, right? Now, looking at the 4 hours time frame for the Dogecoin, I can confirm to you guys that looking at the 4 hours time frame, we are at this zone where I should consider it still a buy zone, because I think we have formed a W from it, like it not we are forming W here. You see, so looking at this volume candle, it's clear that price want to be in an uptrend. So the 4 hours time frame is bullish for Baby Doge coin. And after this information, I told you guys that we should see the reversal from here because I saw level three drop, level one drop. It was level one drop, retracement level two. Sorry, level one drop, retracement level two drop, retracement level three drop, and now we form an M. Sorry, we form a W here, and then this is the first rise. We're gonna see second rise, then third rise before we start looking at maybe pull back from there. But this is the structure that I trade. I trade price action, break of structure, and if say break of structure is tells me I should buy, then I buy. If it tells me I should sell, and then I'm gonna sell. Or if it says take out profit, I'm gonna take out profit. So this is what I'm looking at for Baby Dogecoin. I think I've spent so much time already on the baby. Let's get to something else. Let's get to Floki Inu. Now, Floki Inu is it has been moving like Bitcoin. Okay, you see this coin. I mean, like holding like Bitcoin. You see, after this pump, right, we saw this huge retracement down, and ever since we saw the second pump to the upside, price has been staying in that area, that zone. So this is a support that the market makers or the whales have established for Floki Inu. They don't want to see price go below this range. They want to see price maintain this range. They want to see price stay above this zone. So this is a strong support zone for Floki Inu. Now, can we say this is a zone now to DCA or to buy? Yes. Why? Because these guys have been playing with price here for a long time. They have been accumulating, building contracts here. You see, they build, 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 and now what might happen is they might take it straight to the upside. I've already marked the zones where price can go to. Remember, we trade structure, yeah? I don't care what will happen after that, but what I do know is if price get to this zone, you should cash out profit. If you don't cash out profit, then we might see a huge pullback and maybe price might eat back the gains you made. And if say price is gonna break structure, guys, usually you don't have to sell everything, right? You can sell, let's say, half of your portfolio, half of your Floki Inu, or you can sell 30% or 40% or 60%, but at least sells and cash out something so that if we will see pullback here, then you can buy more, take it back to the upside. And even if we see price break here, structure and go up here, it's gonna come back there. We test that zone before going to the upside. So whatever the situation is, you are always gonna get the best entry in the market, and if say you have made, um let's say 90% profit, and you end up making let's say 80% profit, it's still fine. Even you made 70% profit and lose 20%, it's okay. At least you are conservative and you are trying to get in at the best entry so far, and you know that when price breaks structure, price is going to come back and retest structure, and when price retest structure, that's when you are buying, looking at the next structure to the upside. Because usually, guys, if price, let me tell you how price move. In fact, I've always mentioned to you guys how price move. Now you can see price is moving like sideways here and is building support and resistance at the same time. Below, if price break now, this is support, and up here this is resistance. If price break this support zone, what price is going to do is come back and retest that support zone before going back to the downside. And if price break this resistance here, what price is going to do is price is going to come back and retest this resistance level before going back to the upside. By the way, guys, if say you want to get my buy and sell signal, go to the description of this video. The second link, join my VIP group to get access to my buy, sell, and take profit signal. If you click on that link, this is what you're gonna get. This link is gonna take you to this zone on this platform where you're gonna pay at least $20 to be part of my VIP, or you can send me USDT and take a screenshot, send it to my VIP, my free Telegram group, and I'm gonna add you to the VIP group. This, it won't cost you anything. This is just to get what I'm buying, what I'm selling. I know other platforms out there, other channels will charge you like $100 above, or some even charge like $500. But I want to make it fair for everyone to be able to get what I'm holding and buy, or what I'm buying when I'm gonna take out profit, and so on and so forth. So let's continue with Floki. Now, guys, this is a perfect structure, as I always say. All right, because if say you understand again how price move, then you are buying, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here. You will know that if price get this zone, there's high chances that price will get back to the upside. And if price go to this upside and price is not able to go and create more like higher highs or create a next high from this zone or break structure, then you know the next target is still the previous low, like this zone that price is trading. So you can fall down to the 4 hours time frame, and you're gonna see an established area that you could have been making money as a trader, or maybe you are doing futures, you are or derivative, but whatever that you're doing, you're making money from this movement here. You see, up you made money, down you sell, you up you sell, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you sell. You'd have made lose money, yes, a little bit, but you'd have made it back again, yeah. But this is simple, guys, and I always want to help you guys understand the bigger picture here, so that you won't be making mistakes when you are investing in the market. Now, another tool that you can bring in here when you are investing in the market is this, the volume profile. Um, Let me bring in the volume profile. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame for Floki Inu. Okay, so if let's just stay first on the 1 hour daily time frame. So when you want to trade the volume profile, this is what you do. You bring in the volume profile, you take it from the, let me see, like in the case of this range, and plug it from here, from this zone here to where price is, and it'll give you a range to trade this coin. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, so now you have a range that price is going to be moving like in between or around. So this is a value area low, and this is a value area high. Now, how price move looking at the volume profile is, when price get to the value area low, there's high chances that price is going to make its way to the POC. And if price makes its way to the POC, there's high chances that it can go right up to the value area high. So what you should be looking at when you're trading using the volume profile is this zone, which is the POC, the point of control. When price trade above the point of control, and price come back and retest that point of control, then if price start doing something like this, it means the next target is going to be where the value area high is. And if the price break the value area high, then price will target the previous high. In the past, you can see this is the area, and this zone also was given to us by the Fibonacci retracement tool. So you can use like most of these tools to trade the market. And if you don't want to apply this like on the higher time frame, you can even like take off this. Then now you can look at it this way. Let me mark this so you can take it. Let's see. So you can bring in the volume profile here from this zone to where price is, and you're gonna give you this range here. Now, what you want to do is, if you see price, trade above or move above the POC, then you start looking at a buy opportunity. Sorry, if you see price go above the value area high, looking at this range, then you start looking for buy opportunity, right? But if you see price go below the value area low, then you start looking for sell opportunity. After price must have retraced back this area. So this should be the area where the zone that you can either buy or you DCA. Then the upside, you start taking out profit. When price has dumped, you are looking for a buy opportunity. When price is pumping, you are looking for reasons to take out profit or to sell completely and get out from the market. So if you have all of this knowledge in your brain, trust me, you'll be making money most of the time. So let's get to this bad boy, CSPR Kaspa. Again, guys, I mentioned to you that Kaspa looks like a shit coin, like the worst shit coin on earth. But it's good to see that Bitcoin has given us an opportunity to maybe see an upside for Casper. I've already established a zone here that if I see Casper break, then we can confirm that smart money is back in the market. But for now, we are still bearish for Casper. And I want to see price do something like this. I already mentioned to you guys, price should break this area, come back, retest the zone. That's when we're going to buy. No one should buy Kaspa at its own. No one should buy Kaspa. If you buy Kaspa at its own, then you're buying it at your own risk. Kaspa must break structure. And to an extent, if it does this, then and it comes back and retest this zone, hold this area, then what we are looking at is this vectors here. We're looking at these vectors to be recovered by price. So we can see a huge spike to the upside, like a huge for like in a day, we can see a huge spike to the upside. But if so we see a huge spike to the upside, expect some sort of retracement, at least half of the candle, then price might go up again, then hold this zone. That's when you are buying, because we have previous zone here, previous resistance, which is now going to be considered as support if say price gets to that area. So I'm looking at CSPR to be a coin that you can gamble in. You can say, okay, let me gamble now. Maybe you have like $100. Can just gamble with it. It's fine, because this you cannot really say there's something you can do right now. Nothing. Except investors are convinced that the project is bad. That's why you see at times some people prefer to trade meme coin, because meme coin there's no utility. No one will tell, no one gonna say I'm gonna buy this or I'm gonna do that to you. It's just all about the community shielding the coin for new investors to come and buy so that they can dump it on them, right? And if you're smart, then you're gonna make money alongside the market makers when they pump the price, or the whales when they pump the price. So this is now a play for you who actually are either a gambler. If you want to gamble, you can buy here, fine, good and fine. But if say you want to be more and more um, conservative, you are like you follow a strategy. You should wait for break of structure here, wait for pullback, and if price hold here, then you buy and sell where this vector candle is and wait for price to move along this zone, then you buy the next upside. So that's that for CSPR Casper. We don't have much to talk about Casper, because price hasn't given us any more details for us to communicate, like for us to use and communicate more. So you can see it's just there. Even on the 4 hours time frame, it looks still bearish. No break of structure as I mentioned. So we need to see price where. But yeah, let's look at this other bad boy. Now, Binance says they're gonna release this refine. I don't know why Binance didn't release this coin. But maybe there's something fishy about the coin. Because if you see a chart like this and ever since the dump, nothing has happened, it means something is really fishy. Yeah, like yeah, it's not something is not going on right here. Look at like in a week they dump everything. So this should be concerning if say you are an investor for refinance. And I have to say this to you guys: take all the emotions away. Forget about everything like you are in love with refinance. You bought this coin, it made you money, or they have a best team, or they have that, blah blah blah. Forget about all those nonsense. Okay? Focus on what the chart is saying to you. Look at this chart, guys. Is this a reasonable chart? Look at if say we look at the chart of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins out there that I've just shown you. I've just showed you right now. Is this chart somehow reasonable? This is nonsense. This is just pure manipulation. Look at the pump and dump here, and they dump it on you guys. Tries to get back to this. Look at this pump here, and look at this huge dump here. So what more can you say? What more do you want me to say? I have to talk about it because you guys love it, right? You love to get burned. You love to lose money. So I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna encourage you to lose money, right? Yeah, go and lose money there. It's fine. It's good. That's what you wanna fall in love with project, fall in love with refinance, and get burned. So now those of you who are gamblers, you can still gamble. Yeah, it's one of those our meme coins, that you can play with. But now, when are you gonna say we are back on track? Okay, this is what will happen because so many people have lost money here. So many people are still trapped. This is what will happen. Price might pump a little bit. You know, you see, might do something like this. That's when you are looking for opportunity to buy back. Now, this is when you buy back. You buy back when price come back to there. You don't just buy like that. You wait for price to like play around, see if say price is gonna hold these zones. Let me just mark the zone for you. We trade based on probability. See, if it breaks structure here, then there's high chances that they're gonna come and hold the structure. So you want to see price hold this structure here. No matter what, price should hold this zone. Hold. Price must not break below, like come and make lower lows. Like yeah, if we see price come below and make lower lows from where price is right now, then there's high chances that we're gonna go and create more lows. Then we'll create more high, go create more lows, high, lows, and so on and so forth. So you want to be careful when you buy some of these coins. That's why you need to be part of my VIP community. I'm not gonna tell you I'm buying Kaspa now. No, I'm gonna tell you um when it's time to buy Kaspa, I'm gonna tell you okay now buy Kaspa. Now I will not say buy Kaspa, and even if I say buy Kaspa, you will know that I'm holding it. Because you are not part of my VIP group. So if you not be part of my VIP group, go to the link below this video, my link tree, and click on the join my VIP group, access to buy and sell, like get access to my buy and sell signal, and take you, yeah, this is the area where get registered. And if say you don't have credit card or PayPal to register, then send USDT to me and I'm gonna add you to the VIP group. But by the way, join my free Telegram group. The link also is found below this video. Go there. If you are watching me on X, go to my YouTube channel and then just go to any of my videos. You're gonna find my link tree. Then also you're gonna find my free Telegram group. Same on Facebook. If you're watching on Facebook, do the same thing. But guys, I've come to the end of today's video. I think I don't have much to say. This video was purposely to talk about Baby Doge Coin, Floki Inu, CSPR Casper, Refinance. I want to create more videos about other coins. If you want me to create videos about other coins, just make sure you go to my Telegram group and tell me the coins that you want me to analyze when I come live. And I want to run a poll. And if I see more people are interested in the coin, then I want to talk about it. That's what I want to be doing right now. But I can see you guys who are live with me here. Few of you are here. Most of you are live with me on X, and some few on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. But this is the end of today's video. If this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then make sure you go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share the content with someone else out there. I will say all this good stuff. See you in the next video. Bye, ciao. Peace. Peace out.